this recipe, you will need spinach, onions, egg, red chili powder, salt, and bread. In a small bowl, crack open 1 egg. Next, you will add in 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, or as much as you would like. Then add in less than 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or as much as you would like. Add in some chopped onion, your choice as to how much you want to put. Add in chopped spinach. I added 6 leaves, but you can add as many as you would like. Mix everything together. In a pan, add in 1/4 teaspoon of oil and then add in the egg mixture and cook on medium to low heat. Evenly spread the egg in the pan.